Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Thai food. It's the Northeastern Thai Sausage, or in Thai we call Sai Krok E-san. Sai Krok E-san is a fermented sausage originating in the northeastern province of Thailand. It's made from pork, rice, combined with the garlic, salt, and the pepper. The sausage is then allowed to dry and ferment for several hours or sometimes even for up to 2 or 3 days in the hot sun. But today we have to reduce the time with this Lobo Set. This one is we need to rest it for only 1 hour. And it's very easy and very quick for make this recipe. We just need only ground pork. But other thing is in the set or in the package. So you can buy this package or Lobo Set like this in the Asian shop. For the inside they have 4 package inside. There are rice, sausage powder, collagen casing, and also the last package is small package is the salt. The casing collagen, there are 5 pieces. If you are a Thai lover, you can find this sausage being grilled over charcoal on the street all around Thailand. And I wish you can try this recipe. It's so easy, quick, and delicious. The important thing is the funnel, or you can use the bottles to put the pork inside. So let's get started. First, let's start with the ground pork. It's better to use ground pork meat and fat together, and it will make very delicious. And then combine everything into the pork for the rice and powder and salt, and then mix everything well. For the ground pork we use half kilo or 500 grams. And then we need to separate to be the 5 parts. Gonna shrink the casing onto the funnel tube or the bottles as I did today. And then filling the pork into the casing. We're gonna leaving about 1.5 inch for typing. We're gonna use toothpick or pin to make the air bubble inside to release it. This one very important because if you don't do like this, and it will make our Sai Krok E-san is broken when we fry or when we make the grill. And then made to be the little pieces or the size as we like. You can make it longer or shorter. And then continue to do like this with other pieces. And after finish for this recipe, you can do like an oven or grill or make the fry. But today we will do like a fry with the oil. But if you want to make like a grill with the charcoal grill with the low heat until it's done, or you can bake in the oven at 140 Celsius for about 20 minutes. And I will grill on the pan. It works well too. This recipe is salty with the hint of the sourness. These flavorful sausages are usually grilled or fried or made in the oven and served with the chili, pickle, ginger, garlic, and fresh vegetable. You can find them at the local street food as a delicious snack that are grilled on the stick. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you guys give this try for this recipe, and see you next time.